In a small village of Manatad, there are two lovers named Leonora and Renato. They used to bond together happily because they are committed to each other. They promise to each other that even in their highs and lows, they will work together, understand each other, and tell death do us part.
Good morning, love. Wake up. I am waiting for this time to come. I have something to tell you.
Good morning, love. Magbasa mo karon. Isuta kay Grace.
Please hurry. Kaya important ka rin ako nga adlaw mo.
Okay, love.
Shall I stay? Would it be a sin?
Renato and Leonora went to the field. They have their moments sweetly, not until Leonora tell an intense words to Renato.
Okay naman ko, love.
Buhay ko to, love.
Sige.
Yan. Hindi ka dali ingan ni mga nako ba nga importante.
Kuan man, good love. Ito ang anak mo.
Joke ka? Ay kung binuangi bi.
Dili man ni binuang. Seryoso ko. Unsa man imong gi-promise nga imong kung kuyugan hangtod sa kanturan? Wala lang to para nimo.
Isa. Binuang naman ni ako ah. Ganahan na ko maglingaw para makabalo
Renato,
ka.
please. Ayaw ko biyae. Dili pa kalipay para nato. Ato ang maning anak kung gidala karon. Di ba ga-promise ka sa kuwang nga naa ka? Kirmi? Please. Ayaw ko biyae.
Kabalo naman ka nga nun di ko kadawat nimo kay pobre ra ka.
Paminaw ta ba? Nangod sa sige dato may abot ba? At sa doon din? Mom, where's your findings? No. I'm looking for my son. What reason? The white pants? Yeah. What's the white pants? White ka tong guwapo, ma'am. Guwapo to siya, ma'am. Guwapo tong guwapo.
Pwede na madumong video.
What guwapo yung video? Handsome? Handsome? Yeah, that's my son. Ito, mama. Ito, ma'am. Ma'am. Well. What do we have here? The beggar. Renato, how many times do I have to tell you to stay away from disgusting Renato, sports? Please, I'm Don't touch my son. She just wanted your money. No, Mom, please. You're a gold digger. I know you. No, Mom. I know you. No. Your son really loves me. Oh, really? Are you illusioning? Mom, please. I'm begging you. I said don't touch me. What is this?
Siya nako giingnan ma'am nga. Di na magduldool na ako. And now, she told me nga pregnant siya.
What? Pregnant? Her? Are you joking me? Please help me raise the child. Please, Mom, I'm begging you. I'm not going to. Renato, please.
I know that that's not my son. You're telling me.
No,
People
Mom,
like
I'm
you just
telling
want
the truth,
money.
Mom.
No, I don't.
No,
Believe you.
I loved your son.
I don't believe you.
And
I
you
know your
love me
plan.
also.
No. Do you love? Do you love?
No.
Renato, please tell her the truth, please.
I
Please
said, don't touch my son.
help me raise our child.
Why would he? It's not even him.
Mom, I'm begging you, Mom, please.
Hey there, dumb beggar. Work for your food and don't you dare use my son.
No, I
You
didn't
want
use
money?
him, Mom.
Here.
No, Mom.
Leonora went home and told her parents about what just happened. She is scolded and received a punch from her father, but fortunately, they accepted the child.
Kinsa ron?
Dili
ba kaya ato ang anak ron?
Unsa kay problema na ron?
Hapon, ma. Ali, lingkod-lingkod. Unsa may problema nimo?
Ma, pa, ayaw mo kasuko ha. Ma, buntis ko.
Kasi nabuhat mo na mo nga. Kita ka sa atong kapupiyon ron.
Pa, pasensya ka, ayaw ka.
Pasensya.
Kinsa may amahan, ana?
Si Renato, ma.
Nya, asa man ron?
Dili niya panagutaw ng among anak. Gibiyaan ko.
Nya, ang saan ta na ron?
Ay, lagasuko dong. Kinaan naman na. Kung ano na lang to na.
Salamat kayo, maha. Kay naa ka permi andam para nako. Sa giguba nako ang plano ninyo ni Papa para nako.
Payat na yung kapalaran.
After months of bearing the child, Leonora gave birth to his son Mateo. Her son grew kind and loving that gives strength to Leonora and his family to continue striving for the better future together.